Hello, this is Betty McQueen. I've been working on my PowerPoint presentation, adding some animations and some color, and trying to basically edit where I messed up. Um, I think I'm getting the hang of it. I'm not really sure what kind of job I'm doing, but um, I've switched topics. I think I'm going to stick with the students returning to school after the age of 40 as my dissertation topic. I have to get in touch with one of my professors. I don't actually have an advisor. I've gone through 4 advisors who've quit the university. I hope it's not because of me, but who knows? Anyway, I think It's coming together, and I'm trying to create a better looking, I guess, visual for the class here, and I'm hoping it's working. So I appreciate any feedback you give me, and thanks for looking. Night.